Wow.
Isn't that incredible?
That is so cool. Day 3 of salmon fishing. First fish of the day. First fish.
First of our stuff.
Joby! Yay!
I think I'm the most prepared.
There's a bald eagle right there. This is day 3 in Alaska.
Yeah.
And we're fishing again. This morning was not the best.
Only caught 5 fish. Well, we did.
So now we're fingers crossed and we're going to this really secretive, not well-known river under the bridge, and we're hoping that we can catch some fish here. So let's see. No luck.
Inward, land inwards.
Hey!
Do I know you?
I don't know, but you want to get married?
Huh?
Would you like to marry me?
Oh. I see a ring. You already got married.
Oh.
One of those.
Alright, today is day 4 in Alaska.
Is it?
I think so. And we're doing the Russian River hike.
Yeah.
We're hoping to see a bear. From a distance.
Hey. A watermelon berry.
The riper ones are better. The better ones.
I also have...
It really looks like you're gonna drug me right now.
I'll eat it with you. Cheers.
I also have...
Oh! Current!
Yep.
Oh, nice! Oh! Nope! No bears yet, though?
Oh, bear, what you gonna do? I'm here, you're there, we're just passing through. Hey, bear, oh, bear, what a lovely day. This is your land, we understand, so we'll be on our way. Hey! Oh, bear, what you gonna do? I'm here, you're there, we're just passing through. Hey, bear, oh, bear, what a lovely day. This is your land, we understand, so we'll be on our way. Hey!
And die. Bear, Hannah? No, she's barking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's some
Do you
fish.
see one there? Was there just one?
Yeah, there are a few fish trying to get in.
They've obviously come. He thinks they're hanging in the canyon. Where people can't fish them. Maybe? The fish are getting smart. Shut down, and they're, I mean, so, you know.
For Glacier in Kentucky.
This is day 4 fishing, and today's the first day that we are fishing in the afternoon. We've been out here for about a couple of hours at least already, and we're just now starting to catch things. Smile, love! So in less than an hour, we have caught 2 coolers full of fish. I have no idea how many. Haven't been able to keep up with the counting, but someone even caught 4 fish in one net. We're doing great though.
I had 2. Once.
2? Did you see Lisa had 4?
Yeah! Too
Crazy.
professional. Alright.
Good luck. Go Noel! Good job, love.
I almost caught 2.
Love. How many did you catch?
4, 3, 2, and 2. And
Crazy.
4.
They are just, I mean,
For grabs.
there's so many. Awesome. Good job, guys.
Get my net.
I can do
My
that.
hands are full. Thank you, fish. Thank you, thank you.
Like flame a bunch on it.
What a night.
What a night indeed.
I didn't record much because things got crazy.
Yeah, you can even see that in the window.
Yeah.
All the boxes are strapped because the fish is overflowing. Or they're
So
overflowing.
much fish, and it happened so fast I didn't even have time to set up the camera. I was just running, trying to grab the fish out.
Crazy.
Put down 5. Put down 5 on
Guess we'll see.
After our amazing catch yesterday, we now have to process all that fish.
With a sore body. Don't forget that part.
So we've got 74 fish to process today.
And
And some smoked salmon that we,
didn't smoke yet.
yeah.
But yeah, let's not do too much extra effort.
A little bit of a different setup today,
Yeah.
but we're gonna make it work. Finished cleaning all of the fish for the day.
Finally.
And now we're taking a stroll along or around the city market.
Only on your side.
Your side.
Oh yeah, my side.
Ready to try our very first reindeer hot dog.
Or as Lisa calls it, domesticated caribou.
Yeah, that's what she said it basically is.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hey.
What do you think?
No, no Christmas this year, because Santa is not having any reindeer.
Refuge Wildlife Center.
Ja, we had a great idea to walk into bear country.
Through one of the trails.
Ja.
We haven't seen a bear, but we have seen a moose. There's a
Right
moose.
Yeah.
Right back there.
You see it through the trees? Oh yeah, kind of.
Friday afternoon in Alaska.
Yeah, 4 p.m.
What better day than to hike a glacier?
No.
Let's go. We made it!
Yes, we did.
To the top! Did not have to use the bear spray.
Gotta go down still.
Time for a break and a snack. Woo! There's a bear up there. I don't know if you can see it.
That's indeed probably a marmot just yelling at it. Oh yeah, I can see the marmot.
Right?
Wow.
Right there. There's a bear.
So where do you go up if you go up?
I think you probably shouldn't since there's a bear. Just my personal opinion. But you know, if you want to go, we should probably go.
Noel's like, I'm out of here. I saw a bear, let's go.
Okay then.
It's actually coming this way.
Is it?
It's hearing you. It's going up. You're good. It doesn't show any interest. It's walking upwards. Relax.
This is how people fly. You gotta be smart with these things. Let's go.
It's literally not showing any interest. You could.
You can sit in its pub and not know it.
Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. It looks so cute. It looked right at us. It was going up still.
Oh, thank God.
No, well.
We're not home safely yet. Don't speak too soon.
We're walking away from it.
What actually freaks me out the most about a situation like that is like if the babies are still around and you don't see them.
There's no reason to overreact.
If I was by myself, I would be running down this mountain.
I mean, it was so cute when it looked at us.
They do look cute from a distance, I agree.
Did you think?
They're extra cute when you're in the car.
Did you happen to take good pictures, or was it too far away?
Yes, I got some.
Oh, you?
Can you please give me my 5 stars now? If we get in front of them, they get eaten.
Nola's already choosing who she sacrifices.
Oh, absolutely. I will get you home safely.
5 stars. She wants her 5 stars.
Probably a bear came up right there. Maybe it's a little puppy you're back to the Oh, probably over here too. Look at all these bear packs. Abundance of bears.
Alright, so we finished our hike. And because we saw the black bear, we can add it to the wildlife sightings. Top of cliffs. That's where all the wildlife sightings were. It seems like popular place. Good morning. It's one of our last few days.
Oh, don't say that.
Oh yeah. Okay, we have plenty of adventure left. Today
Yeah.
we are going to go have brunch with Noel's dad.
Correct.
And then we're gonna go fishing out on the canoe.
Yeah.
So we're working on getting our fishing license now. And then we'll go out to dinner tonight. So hopefully we'll catch some more fish to bring back. You never know, my goal is one. Setting the bar low.
Have some faith.
Here we go.
So there's a couple 15 each per day non-resident. Yep. I was curious what it was.
Smile. Woo.
Nothing.
Have you caught anything yet?
Not yet.
No.
Maybe this one. This will be my lucky throw.
Okay.
Ready? Feel it.
No! Got it!
We have finished our canoe trip, and while the others go back to get the car, throwing a few more lines. Unfortunately, we haven't caught anything, but who knows? Maybe in the next 20 minutes while we wait, something will catch. The guy right next to him just caught something, so fingers crossed. Last day in Alaska.
Yeah, last full day actually.
We don't leave until midnight. Yeah. But we are leaving soon, so we're packing up all the salmon.
All the salmon.
And then we'll get out of here shortly.
Oh, perfect.
After loading 4 coolers of 200 pounds of fish, this is still everything that is left. Quite some fish still. Now we're in Girdwood, Alaska.
Girdwood.
Or near the Portage Glacier. Just at a lookout. Just exploring while we wait for our flight.
Yeah, another 8 hours.
What you think?
And I want to feel the temperature of the water.
Go ahead. There are stairs leading you down.
Yeah.
And?
Could be worse. Could be worse.
Glacier fed.
All right. Time to open the salmon.
Yes! Let's hope it's still frozen. Or cold.
It will be cold, but frozen is here. Ooh.
Almost! Come on! Come on! Wait, I got it! I got it! I can get it! Yes! Okay. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Suspense.
Ta-da!
Ish. There are some frozen parts still.
Shall we please start?
But the big fish is still frozen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's put this 50 kilograms away.
Hey bear, ho bear, what a lovely day! I would really like to not get eaten by a bear.
Play.